As you can see, the holidays are already here, a time for reflection and celebration, with the new year a perfect time for new growth. And of course, it's the best time of year to gather with those you hold dear and share stories and memories over festive treats. And when winter hits the hardest, don't forget that our greenhouses are open in Lawrenceville and Ewing, offering you a lush escape from the winter blues. Our greenhouses are kind of like a botanical garden that you can take home with you, so no matter your level of experience, you can find the rare species and expert advice that you need to see your plants flourish. We're also fully stocked on custom planters, top-notch substrates, and all sorts of tools and accessories to make sure that you leave here an expert. So if you're feeling a little stuck in the cold this winter, come visit us in Ewing or Lawrenceville for the soul-restoring retreat that you desire. And of course, from all of us here at Bountiful Gardens,
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Happy holiday, Happy Christmas and New Year's.
Merry Christmas from Bountiful Gardens, Feliz Navidad y Año Nuevo. So happy holidays to everyone.
From Bountiful Gardens to you, have a Merry Christmas.
Feliz Navidad y próspero Año Nuevo.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas from Bountiful Gardens.
Feliz Navidad y próspero Año Nuevo.
Merry Christmas to everyone and Happy New Year from Bountiful Gardens.
Merry Christmas y Feliz Navidad.
Happy Christmas to you.